Not sour at all. Oh, there it is. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Is this my third video in the same exact sweatshirt? Yes, it is. It's got a little chicken on it. I don't know what that means, but it is super comfy cozy, and I thought I definitely needed to be comfy and cozy while I got into today's video because I have a bit of a different one for you guys. You know, like when I do unboxings and I get something that smells like it might be edible, but it clearly isn't edible, and I taste it anyway. Well, a lot of you have pointed out to me like, hey, why don't you just get a box of stuff that you can actually eat? And I thought that was a pretty good idea. So today I have a bit of a different unboxing for you. It is a MunchPak unboxing. Now this has not been sent to me. This is not sponsored. I spent a good amount of money on this actually. I'm not even quite sure how much it is. Let me check. Okay, so apparently they have different ranges. There is a MunchPak Mini that is 5 to 6 snacks for $9.95 a month. Then there is the original MunchPak, which is 10 plus snacks for $19.95 a month. And then there's what I bought because I really like snacks. There is a MunchPak family subscription. It's just me for 20 snacks for $39.95 a month. And that is not including tax. So there was tax on this, but I did get free shipping, so that's good. But inside of here, there are supposed to be 20 plus snacks from like around the world. I think you also have the option to add like a drink on for $5, but I thought that might just be going overboard. I do have some sparkling water that is too far away for me to grab with just my arm. So I'm gonna go get that and then I'll be right back. All right, so I got my almost said shiny water. I got my sparkling water and my snacks. If you guys wanna grab a snack along with me, I'm sure this might be a long video since there are a lot of snacks in here. I'm gonna taste everything. Everything. I have never personally met a snack that I didn't want to taste. So let's go ahead and get on into this. I'm very excited. Okay, it's like Christmas, but for somebody who likes junk food. Okay, so very first here we have Moby crunchy chocolate flavored corn snack, and this is from the Philippines. Ooh, oh, whoa. The amount of chocolate scent that just smacked me in the nose is quite impressive. This is what the little guys look like in there. So they're like tiny little packing peanuts, but they have a chocolatey covering all over them. I swear I've had like that exact taste before. What is that? They're really, really good. Cocoa Puffs. That's what they taste like. Cocoa Puffs. They are quite tasty. They just have a little bit of chocolate on them, but they really do. They taste like Cocoa Puffs. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so next up here we have something from Japan. Oh, very cool. One of my friends just recently went to Japan and she brought me back some goodies and they were so awesome. A lot of candy. It was really, really good. But these are from Frito-Lay and these are Mike chocolate popcorn. Crunchy popcorn coated with cocoa powder. Mmm. Oh, these have a very similar smell to them, and I guess it's kind of like the same thing, like a corn thing covered in chocolate. So let's see if these taste any different. Very different. Oh, I like it all. I can't stop eating them. So these are definitely a little bit different. I really like the popcorn. I love me some popcorn. And it's just a barely like thin coat of like, I was gonna say Nestle, but it's not Nestle. Just like a thin coat of cocoa powder on top of them. I think they're really good, apparently, because I can't stop eating them. Oh no. Alright, so I saw just like this headline here, toxic waste nuclear fusion, just peeking out of the box. And yeah, it's a hazardously sour candy from Pakistan. And I like a little bit of sour. I really do. Some sour like worms or some Sour Patch Kids. I grew up in the generation of warheads. I have to say, when I was in elementary school, I washed a mini warhead off in the water fountain so I could get like the sweet inner portion without going through pain. A grape strawberry? These are the weirdest combinations of flavors. I'm honestly interested in the pineapple passion fruit. Each of the little packages have like just a container of nuclear waste on the front of them, so that's promising. Bottoms up. Okay. It's a little sour. It's not that bad though. Just really gotta get off that like outer shell and you're good to go. Okay, I think I'm out of the woods. If you get off that like outer like coating of the sourness, then you just have like a nice sweet candy. Okay, so we just had some sour and sweet. Now let's go for a little bit of spicy. These are Jack and Jill spicy barbecue V-cut potato chips. V-cut? Oh, like crinkle cut from the Philippines. And they just got a cute little mascot there. He's got chilies for feet, so hopefully these are not that spicy. They smell pretty good, not again singeing the inside of my nose. And we just have like a pretty standard crinkle cut looking chip, so let's see. have a nice flavor to them. A little bit of spice is starting to build up in my throat, but really not like overpowering, and have a really good flavor. Very delicious. Okay, so next up here we have another like kind of potato chip thing. These are a Colson pepper and salt potato stick, and these also are from Pakistan. So this is what they look like, very brightly yellow. Not sure why there's corn on the outer packaging. They're supposed to be made out of potatoes, but oh, the first ingredient is corn. Oh wow, that's not the smell I was expecting. They're supposed to be salt and pepper, but they have like kind of a curryish scent to them almost. Yeah, there's definitely like another flavor in there that's kind of curryish. It tastes really good. I like that flavor. Okay. All right, so I think this is the last of the little like chip things we have here. And this is called Boy Bawang. Chili cheese flavored fried corn snacks in a savory chili cheese flavor. These are from the Philippines, and I'm guessing the fried corn snack, it just looks like kernels of corn, so maybe that's what it is. Oh, they're cute. Oh, I think they're just literally pieces of corn. Oh, very crunchy. I honestly think these are pretty good. Definitely a little bit different, but I like that like crunchy corn. Of course, I've liked everything pretty much so far. I just like food. I am very curious to see if there's anything I encounter in this box that I don't actually like. All right, next up here we have the best, and these are sour Go-Go's. This is supposed to be assorted sour Go-Go taffy, soft and chewy why can't I speak? Fruit flavored sour taffy from the USA. For me personally, I think blue raspberry, which I don't think is a real thing at all, is the best flavor of any type of candy. So they just come individually wrapped up like this, and apparently they're taffy, so they should be kind of chewy. It's very blue. It looks like a, oh, it looks like a pencil grip. You know those things that you used to steal like when you were a kid? Chewy. All right, I'm not detecting too much, oh my goodness, my teeth and my tongue are fully blue. I was just chewing that for a few seconds. I didn't even finish it. That's a lot of blue food coloring. Oh, there's a lot of candy in here. All right, next up here, we have something that looks really cute. There's a tiny little, what is that, hippopotamus on it? These are Piracu lime wafers, crunchy mini wafers with sweet lemon lime cream. Oh, they're little. So this just looks like a standard wafer cookie. I used to eat the sugar-free versions of these at my grandma's all the time. Oh, it's a little bit stale. Lemon lime is okay in there, but I'm just not a huge like lime person. I mean, it's a cookie, so it's pretty good. Ooh, these look fun. Next up here, we have a very cool package, and these are Lottie Waffle Mates crunchy honey flavored waffle cookies from South Korea. And unfortunately, I'm not a huge fan of honey, but I am a huge fan of cookies. So let's see if these are any good, or at least I think they're any good. Oh, they look like little waffle cones. How cute. So this is what the cookie looks like, nice and crunchy. Oh, This might be my favorite thing so far. This is like the best daggone ice cream cone you've ever had. So good. Oh my goodness, so good. All right, next up here, we have a Biscotti Kokomo. Way down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take you. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. But these are crunchy biscuits filled with sweet chocolate cream from Pakistan. These look very, very good as well. Looks like you got Dora and Diego on the front. Oh, and they're like kind of puffy, so inside you're gonna have the chocolate. Very good. It has a nice chocolate flavor to it, and the outside like little cookie is really, really good. It's like nice and crumbly. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so this is a 7 days soft croissant with vanilla filling from Bulgaria. Oh boy. It honestly looks like one of those food squishies. All right, so very excited to try this one. It's so good. Of course it's good. It's a croissant with cream on the inside. Oh my goodness. All right, so we have a new contender here for my favorite thing. We have the honey cookies from South Korea, and this from Bulgaria is so good. Oh no. These are Brain Blasters lemon and raspberry sour candy from the United Kingdom. Oh, that's good. I got lipstick all over me. Okay, I can't get the rest of the packaging off. It's just gonna have to be like this. Mine are already kind of open. I'm assuming that happened during transit or something. These look like Nerds basically, but like Nerds' evil cousin. And basically these look just like, oops, just like Nerds. So let's see exactly how sour they are. Not sour at all. Oh, they're, my gosh. I can't imagine what my face just looked like. They weren't sour at all, and then I decided to like bite into them and crunch into them, and all of a sudden it just like smacked me in the face. My mouth is leaking. All right, we have another little wafer thing here. So these are Feeny. Oh, look, Mr. Feeny. Feeny biscuits, fine bakeries, chocolate cream wafers, and these are from Italy. Oh, and these are just cute little wafers also, so they look very similar to these that we've already tried. The wafer on this one is definitely a lot more crisp. It's not a like huge, like rich chocolate flavor, but the cream on the inside is really nice and they're nice and sweet. So of course I'm gonna like them. Oh boy, another sour thing. Here we go. All right, so these are sweet, which sounds like a made up 90s word. I don't know, but these are supposed to be sour belts, chewy, tutti fruity candy belts with sugarcane crystals from Turkey. I like those. You guys know that I really like gummy candy. Those aren't crazy sour at all. They're just kind of like gummy and very sweet, so I definitely like those. We're getting to the bottom of the barrel here, boys. There's one thing I kind of want to say for last because I'm really looking forward to it. But next up we have a, well, I said I like gummies, but I might have spoken just a tiny bit too soon. So we have a Chili Milli hot gummy candy. So this is a sweet tamarind flavored gummy with a spicy kick from Pakistan. And half of it's green, half of it's red. All of it's probably spicy, so let's go. Very spicy. It lingers. Oh, okay. That is too spicy for me. That's for sure. Way too spicy for me. This looks good. All right, so next up here we have a chocolate thing, which I'm very excited about, and it looks like it has coconut inside of it. This is a Nestle Prestigo milk chocolate coconut bar. So there's shredded coconut covered with milk chocolate, and this little guy here is from Brazil. Very excited about this. I absolutely love chocolate and coconut together. I think the spice is making me hiccup. So inside of there, we just have like a whole bunch of coconut. This is delicious. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes like an Almond Joy minus the almonds, which I guess would technically be a Mound, but Mound has dark chocolate. So yeah, it tastes like one of those. Okay, next up here, ooh, okay, this says pure gummy on it, and you guys know I love the gummies, unless they burn my mouth. This is a Canro pure mixed berry gummies, strawberry and blueberry flavored gummies from Japan. I really like the packaging this is in. It looks like it is resealable, so that's pretty cool. So if you're a regular person and you don't eat all the gummies within one setting like I would, then you can seal it back up and it'll be fresh. That's a good gummy. It does have a little bit of a sour kick to it, but it has some like really intense fruit flavors to it. That's a tasty gummy. Okay, very excited. Okay, so I have heard all about the Smarties. I've seen these before. So apparently these are from Germany, and they are Nestle Smarties chocolate dots covered with a candy shell. And I think there's like some debate between American Smarties, which are like little powder discs, and these Smarties, which are chocolate. Oopsies. These are kind of just like M&Ms. They have kind of that same M&M feel, but like a little bit of a different taste. It tastes like Easter to me, and I'm not sure why. My stomach is freaking out. Oh, we have something else from Mr. Feeny, or Feeny Biscuits. This is a crunchy wafer with milk hazelnut cream coated in chocolate from Poland. That sounds absolutely delicious. I do love the combination of hazelnut and chocolate. I'm a Nutella fiend. I could eat an entire jar with just a spoon. Ooh, that looks really good. So they're kind of segmented off, and there's like a wafer, and they have the chocolate on top. I'm guessing the cream's in the center. It is. That is super good. It's like peanut butter, but almost better. Oh, so good. All right, guys, and last but not least, because this just looked absolutely insane to me, we have a Milka Oreo sandwich bar. This is from Romania. It is real Oreo cookies surrounded by alpine milk chocolate, and I had to save it for last. I'm very much so hoping this doesn't let me down. I love everything that's in this bar, which is mainly chocolate, but I love chocolate. Ooh, they're tiny little Oreos. Look at this thing. It's literally just like Oreos surrounded in chocolate. And I'm so excited about it. I'm not exactly sure how there's already Oreo cream on my lip, but just ignore that for now. I got an email one time for a company that wanted me to do a sponsored video for, I guess, their chocolate or something. And in the email it says, "We've watched your videos and we see how your eyes light up when you see chocolate." And I just thought that was so funny because it's so true. Right, so the chocolate is very soft. It's honestly a little bit hard to break, so let's go ahead and give this a taste. It's good. Of course it's good. It's Oreos and chocolate. Alright you guys, wow. So my sugar rush is just kicking in, so I guess it's time to go edit. I'm glad that I ate this at 7 o'clock at night, so now I can call all these snacks my dinner. But this is actually a lot of fun. I really like trying things from different places. I think my two standout favorites are a bit surprising. You would think I want the Oreos just surrounded in chocolate, but I really loved these honey cookies from South Korea, and then this soft croissant from Bulgaria. Just like so good. Out of the more savory snacks, I really surprisingly liked the little corn buddies here. What are these called? Boy boangs. And I thought these spicy chips were really good as well. Let me know what you guys thought about this box down below in the comments. I'd love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. Do you think this is something that would be fun for you to get or for your family to get? Is this something that you would like to see me unbox again and try out with you guys, or would you prefer for me to stick to like the beauty makeup stuff? Well, let me know down below in the comments. Very much very looking forward to reading your comments. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys today, so thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!